Hello everyone, welcome to my channel called Forever Creative. So today I am going to tell you how to make a slime without any activator and any glue, which is fully homemade. So the things we need are some flour, water, oil, poster color, mixer, and now get started. So firstly take a mixing bowl in which add 2 spoons of flour, then add 1 spoon of water and then start mixing them. Once you have mixed the flour and the water completely, and the flour and the water are mixed completely, then stop mixing and slowly add some oil to it. So here I am taking a mineral oil. 1 tablespoon I will add. So as I have added 1 tablespoon of oil, now we will again mix it well so that the flour can absorb the oil and can be non-sticky. You can probably mix it for 5 to 10 minutes. And this is my batter. And if you think that it is sticky, you can again add a little bit of flour and again add a little bit of oil. But the quantity of the flour should be more, that it can be better batter. So firstly we will add some flour to our batter. You can call it anything, a batter or a improper slime, as it is not fully made yet. So now I am adding 1 teaspoon flour. So we will again mix it. See, now you will be able to see it is becoming non-sticky. So continue mixing. I think it's a little wet, so again I am adding some flour. I have added 1 teaspoon of flour. So now I think it is ready. It is not wet, but it's sticky. So now for that stickiness, I will add some oil. So quantity of the oil you can take probably 1 tablespoon, but don't add in one time, add slowly and then mix, then add, then mix. So I will add half of the tablespoon and keep it aside, and then I will again mix it. See, you can see that it's becoming non-sticky. So now I will add the rest of the oil. Now we will again mix it. Now this time is the last, so we will mix it well. See, my whole mixing bowl is clean up as the batter is slime or batter is becoming non-sticky. So now our slime is ready, but something is missing, our poster color. So now if we want, we can add poster color, or it's ready also. You can use it as this also, but I am adding poster colors for looking nice. So now again we will add some poster colors. So before adding, I will just mix it properly so that all the colors come nicely. Now slowly I will add the watercolor or poster color, and now again the last but not the least time we will mix it, and this time we have to mix very properly so that all colors are mixed to the dough. Like you can see, all the colors are mixed very properly, and if you think they are not, you need some more color, you can obviously add. So now I think it is ready. So now I will just check it once. So now we can mix it with our hand, and now my slime is ready. So you can see it's fully non-sticky. See, my hands are all clear. And it's stretchable. See? And slow fluffy. Thank you friends for watching my video. Subscribe and like my channel for more updates of my new video.